Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or hit me up on social media and send me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today, I want to talk about one of the houses that came on the market today up in Causeway Isles here in the St. Petersburg neighborhood. This home is 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,884 square feet, and it's listed with Keller Williams St. Pete Realty. The listing agent is Chris Price, and she has a beautiful home on the intercoastal, 75 feet of saltwater canal waterfront. It's got an open floor plan and an in-ground pool, and it's, like I said, access to the intercoastal with its own deck. And one of the other things I want you to know about this property is that its roof is less than 10 years old. So if you're purchasing this house, you don't have to worry about any of the insurance headaches that a lot of people here in the Gulf Coast have to deal with. If this home or any of the others on the Gulf Coast are of interest to you, please give me a call at Christian DeBouche, 727-303-1521, or on social media at CD Selling St. Pete, and I would love to help you find the home of your dreams. Thank you.